A stick figure stands frozen as chaotic financial words swirl around them. Debt, interest, bills, pressure. Everything feels heavy, loud, and unclear, as if the world itself is financially speaking too fast to understand. The chaos suddenly collapses into one simple truth. Money is owed, and it must be cleared step by step, no matter how overwhelming it looks at the start. Two clear paths appear on the ground, Snowball and Avalanche. Both lead to the same destination, zero debt, but they feel different in structure and pace. The Snowball path shows many small debts stacked like light blocks, each one easy to pick up, each one waiting for a simple push to begin movement. The smallest debt is removed first. It begins to roll forward, slowly gathering other small debts, growing in size and momentum like a snowball down a hill. Each win builds emotional momentum. Progress feels faster and more motivating, even if the mathematical efficiency is not always perfect or optimal. The avalanche path appears structured and strict. Debts are sorted from largest to smallest, and the biggest block glows heavily with importance and pressure. The largest debt is attacked first. It is slow, heavy, and difficult to move, but once it finally falls, it creates a powerful drop in overall burden. Once that major block is removed, the remaining debts feel lighter, and the system becomes easier to manage over time as pressure reduces significantly. Snowball builds motivation through quick wins and visible progress. Avalanche builds efficiency through logical prioritization and long-term optimization of interest. The real battle is not in the numbers themselves, but in staying consistent long enough to keep moving forward without stopping or overthinking. Confusion fades away completely. Only one principle remains visible: continuous movement forward, solving one debt at a time without pause. Both paths slowly converge toward the same destination, showing that despite different strategies, the outcome remains identical: freedom from debt. Step by step, each debt disappears from the environment, making the space lighter, quieter, and less visually crowded with pressure. At the end, nothing remains except complete clarity and emptiness. The method used no longer matters, only the consistency that carried the journey forward.